welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can do an animated overlay image on a video in Flutter Android application using Media 3. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the output. So okay, let me mirror my device. We will be writing native code because there is no third-party library which can help us achieve this. So here you can see I have a pick video button. I'll just click on pick video. It opens the video picker for me. Now you need to pick a video. So we are applying. So here you can see this is the progress. I'll explain more about it later on. So if your video is very large, it will take a lot of time. So I'll just play this video. So I'll just pause it. So here the Android icon which you see is the Android icon which I have overlaid on it. So I'll just play it again. So yeah, I have just paused the video, muted the video. So here you can see we have applied the animated overlay. So hopefully you got the point. Now let's see how to achieve this. Also one more thing, I'll just pause the video for a second. So if I click on pick video again, the new video is also saved to external storage. So if the user wants, they can access the video even outside our app as well with the animated overlay. Okay, the original video is not modified, it is also there. So yeah, let's see how to achieve this. So as usual, I have created a Flutter application, and here first you need to go to lib main.dart, and firstly these are all the imports. So before that, inside pubspec.yaml also I have added few dependency. One is image picker, second is video player, and third one is Chibi. So make sure you add all these imports. Then this is default boilerplate code. Then here is our homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget. Here I have defined a method channel for video picker. Here we are initializing image picker. Here is our controller and Chibi controller as well. The video URL is empty and progress is empty as well. Here is our event channel which is progress, and this is the stream subscription. Then inside the init state we initialize our subscription as well, and once we get the event we update our progress as well. Then inside dispose we cancel our subscription, we dispose our controller, and we dispose our Chibi controller as well. Then inside the build method we have this safe area of column. Here is our text button for picking a video. So once you click on it, we just pick a video from gallery, and we use this now this apply style transfer, like this is the method name. So here you can write whatever you feel like, but same name you need to use it on native Android side as well. So be careful with that. So in case if you decide to change it, then once we get the URL of the transformed video, we initialize our controller, we pass it over here, we add a listener, we set the looping, we initialize controller, initialize Chibi controller as well, we say update our video URL, and here you can see we are displaying the progress over here. And once the video URL is not equal to empty, then we display our video player with the help of Chibi. Now if your video is very big, if you have selected a large video, then you need to display progress bar to the user, right? That's why here we are displaying the progress bar. You can use actual progress bar. Now if you might have noticed, we were displaying two values, right? So the 0 and 92. So the 92, the second value which you are displaying, is the actual progress, but if like you noticed, it doesn't reach till 100. Sometimes it reaches till 100, sometimes it doesn't. So you also need to take in consideration the first value. The first value can be either 0, 1 and 2, but once the video has finished processing, the value will always become 0. The first value will always become 0. So that's an indication. Even if the second value doesn't reach till 100, the first value is an indication that you should stop displaying the progress bar and start playing your video. Okay, so that's it. Next you need to go to the Android folder, you need to go to app, go to build.gradle.kts, and inside dependency we have added this Media 3 effect. Then we have added Media 3 transformer, then Media 3 common, and app compat as well. Then you need to go to src main res drawable, and here you can add whatever image you want to animate. So I have added this particular image. Then go to Kotlin, and first I have created first go to main activity. Okay, so again these are all the imports which you need to write. So feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Then here we extend this transformer.listener. So with the help of this we override two methods, on completed and on error. I'll come back to those methods later on. Then here we define a file name and file path. These are for tracking the progress. Here is our event channel as well as attach event. This is the method channel result. Here is our array list of effect. Then here we override configure Flutter engine. Here is our event channel as well, and for sending the progress event, right, because we want to continuously send those events, that's why we are using event channel. Then here is our video picker platform, and here is once you call the apply style transfer, we get the path of the video. initialize our transformer, clear our effects, and here we apply this animated logo overlay. So this is a separate Kotlin file which I have created, which I will show you shortly. Then we initialize our input media item, we initialize our edited media item, we create our external file, we start our transformation, and here we track the progress state. So here you can see we are sending the progress back to Flutter side. Then this is the code for creating our external file. Even I have copied it from Stack Overflow, and this is the code for saving file to external storage. Again, I have copied it from Stack Overflow, so I'll simply scroll through this. And then here we get the callback of on completed. So once the video is completed, we get the URI and we send it back to Flutter side, and in case of error we just display a toast message. Now coming back to the animated logo overlay. So first you need to copy the package name from your main activity, whatever you see over here, just copy that. Rest of the code I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy the code. Important thing is this should be your image name, whatever you have added inside the drawable folder. Rest, here we are defining the keyframes, okay, and here is our position animator as well. Here we return our logo. Again, simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video. Even I have copied, like I said, I have copied it from the GitHub source code of Android. So yeah, even I am not really good at this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.